Alright, we are on Wingfoot Lake right now. We're about to go in, but we finally hooked into a fish on the chatterbait.
It's black and blue.
Yeah, black and blue. It was actually Strike King because I didn't have Z-Man. We kind of need to get out of here.
Yeah, we're really close by
We're
shoal.
just going to throw this into another video. Nice fish right here, though.
We're out here with Thomas, the boy.
Keep it on.
Yeah. Let me feel. Let me hold that.
We're putting it in
thing.
the live well.
Oh, we all?
We're going to take it in there. Well, there.
I probably did a really bad filming, but there we go. We got one in the box.
One in. What time is it? Alright, we still got 20 minutes.
All right, so I'm Thomas, his cousin. Yeah, that's all I gotta say.
Yeah.
Hey, go subscribe and smash that like button.
Hey. Alright, boys, we going back in. That's why. Look at the skies.
Yeah,
It already rained. It already rained twice today for like 15
And I have
minutes.
no rain gear on, just say that.
But we caught a fish. Got him in here. Nice little one.
It's a good one, actually.
He's kind of little. Yep. We're just gonna put this into another video because we didn't film much today. It was rainy and we were only out here for like an hour and a half, 2 hours. But we're heading back in. I'll probably be fishing on the weekend, so I'll just throw that into one of those videos.
On the
Probably
bandito
Lake
bug.
Milton.
Lay your line out some. Shoot, I gotta net this.
Just net it.
I can't.
I just dropped the boat with it.
Oh, flip. Oh. Here we go.
No, baby.
New PB, boys.
Let's go.
Here. I'm flipping the bandito. Shoot.
Probably 2 pounds.
Here. That's not 2.
Yeah, that's not good.
That's maybe 1. Here.
I'm destroying you.
He goes, nice fish. Alright, we're rolling, boys. Hooked the finger. You already know, hooked the finger. Caught 2. Jackson caught 2 on the bandito bug. They're in the live well right now. We'll see them after. We're getting after them back here, though. This is where the juice is.
Fish.
Get your rod. Look at what we got here, boys. We got us some nice fish. That's what I'm talking about right here.
That's probably 2.
Dude, my rod. Shoot, grab that, thanks. That's probably a 2, yeah. It's about time. I thought I was stuck in the trolling motor. I'm not even joking you. I turned the motor off.
Want me to let line out?
What?
Want me to let line out?
No. I'll be good. I'm not joking. I thought I was stuck in the motor. And then we pull up this. It started fighting. I'm like, oh my gosh. Let's freaking go. Took me all day to catch this. Not good, but still caught one. I thought I was stuck in the motor. Yeah, we're good. Let's freaking go. Alright, so today we're on Wingfoot Lake. We were here before, and I caught 1 fish in like 1 hour, and then I had to leave. So we're just going to put that in this video. We have 3 today. We didn't get the 1. Jackson caught 2 on the bandito bug, and then I caught 1 on the bandito bug. We released one of them because it was really small. But now we're fishing. I'm not keeping the camera rolling because I forgot the charger and it'll die soon. So that's a rip, Jesus. One missed fish later. Yeah, we're at Wingfoot. We've been here since like 7:30-ish, and it's like, I don't even know, probably like 11 right now. 11:30 maybe. So we'll probably head in soon. If we catch any more fish, I'll start recording again like I've been doing. The one I just caught was like a 2-pounder maybe. Yeah, that's it. Okeechobee. Oh shoot. Well, it fell off, but Okeechobee craw, Googan baits, we've been catching them. Bro, it's idle.
That's a 9.9.
Yeah, they need to slow the frick down. Look who we just picked up, boy. Fish number 2 of the day. It's little, but we're just gonna keep it. We're gonna leave in like probably 40 minutes maybe. So that's a clutch fish. Close that. Eat it in. Let's go hit that again. We'll come back and hit this. That's fish number 4 for us. All of them on the Googan baits. Googan baits must be the call. Okeechobee craw. Huh? Under the tree? Oh, back in there. You gotta get it low. We got ourselves another one. Is it recording yet? Got ourselves another tiny fish. Tiny fish number 2. Dude, barely hooked him.
Dude, your fish tried jumping out.
That's good. We don't want the whole lake in the live well. That's fish number 5. Number 3. No. I have 3, you have 2, right? All on the Okeechobee craw bandito bug.
I caught one on black and blue.
Yeah, he caught one on black and blue actually. But these banditos are disgusting.
You wanted to tie on the
Yeah, I wonder if the Kraken crawl will work. I bet it would. Peric likes the Kraken crawl better. The bandito bug catches fish though, he said.
I've only caught one fish on the Kraken crawl.
I haven't used Kraken crawls, I don't think. I used one Kraken crawl at West Branch. If you ever made a YouTube channel, it would be called Snag 'em with Jackson. Snag 'em with Jackson, back with another video, getting snagged. Here's the how-to on how to get unsnagged. You take your cutters and cut the line.
Got it.
All right, we're out. We out of here, boys. We got 5 fish. Should have. Wait, did we have 4 in there or 5? We have 4. 4 in the live well. We had 5 total. We released 1 so it wouldn't die. And we are heading back to the boat ramp where Dad's gonna pick us up. We got these boys and Jackson's fish. This is definitely our biggest.
Nah, man.
He's a chunk. Look at these 3 too. Alright. We're dropping them down by the ramp. We're done for the day. We released one of them. Jackson's the cameraman right now. This is just the launch. Caught them all on Googan baits, bandito bugs. Was that on the black and blue?
Yeah, no. The little one was on the black and blue.
And then we released 1 fish.
Yeah, but that was the biggest small one.
There's 1. Watch out, Jax. There's 2. yours in. Save the biggest for last. Here,
Mine's-
push him. Turn him this way. Yeah, there you go. And grab his tail. Okay, let me see this. He'll go. He'll go, hopefully. And he's almost going. He doesn't know what to do. That one's been in there the longest. And then the just chunk. He's gone. Can't be fishing tomorrow. Got a baseball game. And today I got practice. That's why we had to leave. It's about 12 o'clock. We're going to give you lunch. And thank you for watching. Everybody, we're back at the house after the Wingfoot, I think it is. The Wingfoot video. We caught like 5, and then I caught 1 the day before that I wasn't recording. Sorry I couldn't record that too much that day. My GoPro was about to die, and I realized at the end of the trip that I had a battery in the bag that I brought it in. But thank you guys for watching. We're going on an Indian Lake tour. Well, it's not a tour, but we're going camping on Indian Lake. It's supposed to be really good fishing there. I've watched a couple videos on it. This dude caught like a 20-pound bag with 5 fish. So I'm excited for that. We're going there on Sunday, and the boat's gonna be down there Monday. We got a new cover for the boat, so that's nice. Here's a picture of the fish I caught at Deer Creek. That would have been yesterday. I didn't record that because I didn't think I was gonna be able to talk because I got my teeth pulled. Here's the cover. You know, looking pretty nice. Keeps the boat dry. Classic Accessories. I don't know who that is, but that's who made it. Oh yeah, Dope Avenue right there. Yeah. I just wanted to sign it off here. Thanks for watching, and hopefully we catch some fish at Indian Lake. I'll make some videos.